Cashanista friends, it's Casharee here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail video showing you how I achieved this nail look right here. So the supplies I'm using today are the Gelish Taupe Model Polish, Sensationail Gel Matte Top Coat, Sensational Gel Primer, my gel adhesive, some utensils here to help me out with my rhinestones, some small scissors or a fingernail clipper, my little ribbon, nail ribbon design, some rubbing alcohol, and my LED lamp, of course. So to start, I've already applied my nails using my easy go-to nail method of just gluing on a set of nails, shaping them and filing them down to my size. So I buffed the nails to remove the shininess to make the gel adhere to my nails really good. So I'm going to just start by applying my Sensational Gel Primer. Now I'm going to go ahead with my Taupe Model Polish and apply 2 coats. Now I'm just going to cure this in the LED lamp. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add my second coat. Okay, now that I have my 2 coats of polish, I'm going to go ahead and add my gel top coat on top. Usually I add 2 coats of the of the matte top coat, but today I just decided to do 1 just because I'm in a hurry. Next, I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol and remove the tackiness. And as you can see, they dried completely matte. So now I'm going to get started with the rhinestone part. So I'm going to start with the easiest part, and that's just adding just the 1 rhinestone at the bottom of these 2 nails. So I'm just going to get my gel adhesive and my brush and dab a little bit at the bottom where I want to put the rhinestone. I'm just going to stick this in the gel just a little bit so I can pick up the rhinestones with this little stick here. Just gonna place it on top of that gel. Now I'm gonna just cure this in the lamp. So now they're adhered to the nail. Next, I'm going to take my ribbon strip, whatever you want to call it, pull it off a little bit so that it's hanging. It's kind of hard to see because it's really thin. And I'm just going to, as you can see, I've just made like a straight line here. So I'm just going to do the same thing. Kind of pull it off like that and then cut it. My scissors have been kind of difficult to use, so I've been using this fingernail clipper because it's been a little easier to cut this ribbon. So now that I've cut the top part, I'm gonna like position it, make sure it's where I want it to be. to go to the bottom of my nail, and it's kind of crooked. That's not a straight line, so I'm gonna see if I can kind of move it a little bit. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing at the bottom. I'm just gonna cut right there at my cuticle. So now this is what I have. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and take a rhinestone. Oh no, first take some gel and apply it at the top and the very bottom. That was kind of a lot. Now for this index finger, I'm using the smallest rhinestones that I have to put on here. As you can see, it's not as big as like that rhinestone, so that's just what I'm preferring to do for this index finger. So let me move it to the smaller ones. Make sure that it's where I want it to be. Move it a little bit. Like so. I think that's good. And I'm just going to go ahead and cure this. You can cure them all like at once you apply them all, but I don't want to risk moving the rhinestone. So that's why I'm curing them like as I go. So I'm just going to cure this in the lamp. Or lastly, actually, gonna take more of the nail ribbon, and this one was so hard for me to do. Let's see, y'all. And as you can see, I have like a slanted kind of V-shaped thing going on, so I'm gonna try to just pull it off first and then cut it. Finally got it. This is my first time using this little ribbon thing, if you can't tell. But yeah, so now I'm just going to clip off the excess strings. Okay. So now I'm going to take some more of my gel, dab it at the top where I want my rhinestones to go, and at the bottom. I'm just going to start with the small ones at the top and apply those. And for the bottom, I'm applying one smaller one on the top and a bigger one under. So I'm going to get another small one. Double check to make sure everything is positioned where I want it to be, and I think that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure it in the lamp. Okay, and this is my final look, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.